Welcome to level 10. Find the area of the sector given that the arc length is 5.704 meters. There's a couple of ways of doing this. For the sector area, we know that sector area is the fraction of the circle, which is the central angle out of 360 times pi r squared. The problem is we don't know what the central angle is, and we don't know what the sector area is. But we can go to the arc length. The arc length is the fraction of the circumference. N degrees out of 360, that's your fraction of the circumference, 2 pi r. We're after the n degrees. I'm going to replace arc length with 5.704 is equal to, I'm going to do 2 times pi times the radius and divide that by 360 is equal to 2 times pi times the radius, which is 7.6, divided that by 360. That gives us 0.132. We have n degrees times 0.12 dot dot dot. If I want to get the n alone, I'm going to cross multiply, divide by the 0.132 dot dot dot, like this actual number. N is 5.704 divided by the 0.132, and that gives us 43 degrees. Then we can figure out the sector area. The sector area is our n degrees, it's our 43, divided by the 360 times pi times our r squared, which is 7.6 squared. The sector area is the 43 degrees divided by 360 times pi times 7.6 squared is 21.6572. That is my answer. The units are meters squared because it's area. There's another way of doing it which might be easier. I'm going to look at it fractionally. I'm going to say that the sector area out of the full area of the circle, is the fractions, n degrees out of 360. Also, the arc length out of the total circumference is n degrees out of 360. It's the same fraction. So we can say that our sector area out of the area of the circle is the same fraction as the arc length out of the full circumference. So if I want to get sector area alone, I could just simply cross multiply. The area of the circle is going to multiply the arc length divided by the circumference. The area of the circle times the arc length divided by the circumference. We have sector area is equal to pi r squared times the arc length, which we're given, all over the circumference, which is 2 pi r. And if you want, you can cancel the pi's and cancel one of the r's. This leaves us with r times the arc length divided by 2. That's sector area. If I'm going to show you that it works without the canceling, I'll do it with the canceling as well. The sector area is pi times the radius squared times the arc length divided by, you have to put all this in brackets, 2 times pi times the radius. That's without any canceling. We get the same answer. This is the sector area with the canceling is equal to the radius times the arc length divided by 2. Same answer in each case. That is 2 different methods for finding the sector area given the arc length and the radius. Have a good day.